Oh no. Oh no, students are in the bus. Are you okay? I'm okay.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's so hurt. My tyree!
Oh no! Oh no!
Steve yawns in front of his empty repair shop.
Why is this deserted? I wish I had a lot of money.
He imagines a long line of cars waiting for repairs.
Aha! I'll have customers. Perfect plan. Let's go.
This place is near my car repair shop.
He stops in the middle of a quiet road.
There is no one recently. I'm about to be rich.
Oh no!
Hey, hello everyone!
Oh no, what is this?
Woo, woo, it's so great.
Oh
What? My tire. Oh my god, so hurt.
Go, go, go. Who is over there?
Oh my god, what happened?
It hurts too. I can't move anymore. Oh no! Please help us. Is these anyone?
Help me! Help me!
Oh, what's going on? Help, our tires were broken.
Okay!
Okay, calm down. Let me help. Fighting. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.
The tow truck loads the plank and drives to the repair shop.
Okay!
I will take you to replace new tires. Welcome to the Happy Car Repair Shop.
Okay!
Bye-bye. Such wheel is very dangerous. Yeah, amazing.
Okay!
The brand new wheels for you too, ha.
Okay!
Thank you so much.
Okay!
Thank you so much.
But Steve's greed is not gone
Too
yet.
smart.
He tries to set the plank again, but the tow truck is watching.
Not long ago, I'm the richest in the world.
Okay!
Oh my God, so bad. Please click the registration button to follow the ending. Hey, what are you doing? What? Who is over there?
Caught by the crane, Steve looks embarrassed and reverses, but runs over the plank he placed himself.
Oh my God.
He knows he was wrong and drives away.
Don't harm other to profit.
Okay, let's rope them and ride.
There's not enough sand. What should we do now?
Instead of pacing back and forth, you should go find some sand.
That's right. Okay, you watch the construction site. I'm going now.
Huh?
Where can I find sand now? Over there. Is that the sand lake? Hey, Sand, I'm coming.
Hey, what happened?
Help me! I'm trapped in the lake.
Let me help you.
This is a ball pit. You can't do that.
What should I do now?
Call for emergency immediately.
Emergency! Emergency!
Much later.
Let's go!
Assemble quickly! Ready, transform! Hey!
Help me!
Okay already. 10 years later.
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay, here we go.
Yay! Thank you guys very much.
It's okay, this is our job. What happened?
The construction site needs sand. You guys help me find, please.
I thought it was something serious, but it's too simple.
Thank goodness there's sand. There's sand. Thank you, guys.
Nothing, just build a really good structure. What are you standing there for? Let's party!
Yo, 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 yo! Go, go, go!
Hey, we were here first!
No way, it's our turn.
This isn't working. Let's stop and think. What if we build 2 bridges?
Huh?
2 bridges?
One way each.
Yeah, actually, that's a great idea.
All right, let's transform.
Transform!
Let's start here.
Okay already. Okay, here goes.
Go, go, go! Bing bang!
Okay, let's rope 'em and ride. Much later.
Oh, yeah! Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Okay already.
Yo.
Holding steady.
Bing bang.
Yo.
Hooray!
So smooth!
Separate lanes help everyone move safely and faster.
Hi, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and helpful videos.
Oh no!
Yeah, so happy. Haha, so delicate. Bye.
Beneath the calm water, a crocodile quietly moves toward the bridge.
Huh? Oh no!
Oh no, stop please.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
Help me!
Help.
Luckily, the crane truck rescued the monster truck just in time.
Oh no, it's so bad.
Hey, we need a bridge.
Let me help.
Okay.
The crew keeps working hard, no matter the challenge.
I want to build a glass bridge.
Okay.
A glass bridge? So modern and creative.
Hey, stop.
Let me try.
Working together makes everything faster and better.
Yeah, it's so great.
Almost done. Let's work hard.
The bridge is done. Teamwork
Make a
always brings
strong
great
bridge.
results.
Let's find a way to resolve when in danger.
A beautiful morning begins, and the dump truck rolls down the road.
Huh?
What is this?
Oh
Hurry up. Remember to subscribe to the channel below.
no! Oh no! Oh
What to do next?
The dinosaur stomps closer, growling loudly.
It looks so scary. Quick, quick, quick.
The dinosaur breathes fire again! Oh no!
It's so hurt to get away from me. Get away from me. Oh no, what's going on? Help me, please. Okay, let me help you.
The tow truck quickly turns around to find help. Far away, a crane truck is busy loading sand.
Hurry up, hurry up! Help me! There is an accident. Follow me. Okay, go, go, go. Oh my God!
Okay.
Wow, amazing.
Oh no!
Help me.
Okay.
They pull and pull together. Slowly, the truck starts to move.
Fighting, fighting.
Yes! The truck is finally free from the swamp.
Oh my God, we made it. Hey, thank you so much. We need to fill the hole. Let me help.
The dump truck pours sand to build a new road.
Okay.
The crane flattens the ground, making it strong and safe.
Amazing. Wonderful.
Look at that smooth and sturdy new path.
Don't poke wild animals. Very dangerous. Okay, okay.
Together they drive away, ending their adventurous day.
What is that?
Hey, stop.
Oh no! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Oh no!
How can I help? Please help us at the bridge. Oh my God, I will come soon. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Help me! Help me!
Thank you.
bro. Help!
Ah! Wahoo! Yahoo! Yahoo!
Help!
Yeah!
Nice!
Oh, yeah!
Ah! Wahoo! Yahoo! Yahoo!
You will be fined for not complying with the regulations. I'm sorry. We need to fix the bridge.